Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me, and doing day 8 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, and let me know what you think. So I'm in London right now for the last day and a half or something like that. Um, so it's like really early, so I'm always rubbing my eyes here in the Europe, United Kingdoms, whatever. Um, Hope you enjoy the intro. It is still from Antalya. Maybe with the last one, we'll see. But yeah, and also if you are in London, I said this at the end of the last video, but I'll say it at the beginning of this one. And it's pretty pressing per se in terms of timing, but we're doing a hangout on Friday, September 9th. So if you're watching it like, nowish, let me know. We have a Discord channel for this, so we'll coordinate the details together. If you're watching it from the future, I'm sorry you missed it, but yeah. Anyway, okay, let's get started on today's problem. It is a problem marked Yeezy, a binary tree in order traversal. So let's take a look. Okay, so we actually wait. What? Given the word return in order traversal. So okay. I mean, I don't think there's anything that complicated about this one, at least in terms of understanding. The thing that you have to know, of course, is the in order traversal. What is the meaning? And and it just means left the current node and then the right? And then you just do it recursively, and I think that should be good. You can probably do it a couple of ways, but the way that I do it is with a global thing, just because I think it makes more sense, kind of. But maybe not. Notice none, then we'll return. Yeah, these. I guess this is like binary tree week or something, which, you know, good to get back to the basics a little bit. I mean, it's been. I feel like they've been doing like maybe a little bit. I wouldn't say weird, but just like more random things lately. But now we're back to more deemed things. So yeah, maybe the team was ad hoc. All right, let's give it a quick submit. Haven't done this yet, huh? That's actually surprising, but that's good for me. One more problem on my checklist, I suppose. 891 day streak, even though if you watched my drama last week, but it still feels good, because and technically I did do it. Yeah, you saw the video. I just didn't submit it. Anyway, yeah, this is gonna be linear time, linear space. If you want to be more tight, this is O of H space, where or L of H extra space, because the answer obviously has to be linear space, because that's the size of the answer, right? But the extra space could be O of H, if you will, where H is the height of the tree. Uh, yeah, I mean, I don't really know what these are very textbook e problems, and what I mean by that is, like you literally find them on like a textbook. You read about the history of binary trees or something like that. Maybe not the history, but just like the a lot of like proofs and variations and stuff like that. And then they're like, oh, now do this, and what is I definitely, these things are binary trees are kind of interesting for me, in that, or just trees in general, but maybe binary is like the first step. Is that one is that it's just like a random data structure. You probably don't even use it that much, like in a in a direct way, because there are libraries for it, but also in a way that is what you would call it, like organic, right? Like you're not going to randomly come up with using binary tree in a lot of things, and the things that do use it are very well researched, and there's a library for a lot of those things, right? That said, the thing that is good about binary tree with respect to learning is that the data structure itself is recursive, and therefore a lot of the solutions lend itself to a recursive solution, which does come up from time to time, and it's a good thing to kind of wrap your head around, like, what does this recursion mean, right? What is a core stack? What is all these things? How do all these things interact with each other? What if you allocate something on a heap while you're doing recursion, stuff like that, which is kind of kind of what I did, though technically not actually, because that, and like knowing all these things is kind of like trivia in the long term, but it's just like, it just comes out. I mean, this is not allocated on the heap, just to be clear, but it is kind of like that in certain languages. You can write it in a way such that it is allocated on the heap, but I don't think that's the case in Python. So, or at least the way that we wrote it here. In any case, that is all I have for today, though. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. Come to Discord, ask about this. That's all I have. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.